Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn science class third lesson, the animal world. The animal world. See here I am writing third lesson, the animal world. Animal world. There are many kinds of animals. There are many kinds of animals in the world. Some animals are the small, some animals are the large. Yes. Many kinds of animals there in the world. Of animals there in the world. And some animals small. Some animals are the large or big. Okay, some animals big animals, some animals are the small animals. Big animals and small animals. You understand, children? The animal world third lesson. There are many kinds of animals in the world. Some animals are the small animals, some animals are the big animals. Some animals are big, some animals are the small. We can see big animals. We can see big animals like bears, zebras, lions, tigers, and rhinoceros. These are the big animals. Yes, bears, zebra, lions, tigers, and rhinoceros. These are the big animals. Yes, these animals we can see in the zoo. You can see zoo. Okay, these animals in the zoo. All animals have 4 legs. These animals have how many legs, children? 4 legs. Do you understand? Third lesson, the animal world. There are many kinds of animals in the world. Some animals are the big, some animals are the small. Okay, we can see big animals like bears, zebras, lions, tigers, and rhinoceros in the zoo. Okay, these all animals have 4 legs. Bears, zebra, lion, tigers, and rhinoceros. All these animals have how many legs? 4 legs. Okay. Do you know, children, that the whale is the largest animal? Whale. You know whale? It is the largest animal in the world. Okay. Which is the largest animal? Whale. Whale is the largest animal. Some animals are the small. You know big animals. Now small animals. Which animals are the small? Birds, insects, and worms. These are the small animals. Okay, now some kinds of animals, like some animals are the small animals, some animals are the big animals. Big animals like bears, zebra, lion, tigers, and rhinoceros. These are the big animals, and they have their 4 legs. How many legs? 4. And small animals, birds, insects, worms. These are the small animals. Okay, and 4-legged animals like the mouse is small. 4-legged animals also, mouse is small animal. Big animals like bears, zebras, lions, tigers, and rhinos. They have 4-legged animals. 4-legged animals also small animal. What is it? That name is mouse. Mouse is a 4-legged animal, but it is a small animal. Okay, now small birds, insects, worms are the mostly small animals. Now birds. Birds. Most birds can fly. Yes, most of the birds can fly. Some birds cannot fly. Some birds cannot fly. Most of the birds can fly. Some birds cannot fly. Which birds are they cannot fly? Here see. Ostrich. Ostrich bird and emu bird. These birds cannot fly. Okay, some birds, most of the birds are they can fly. Most of the birds can fly. But some birds are they cannot fly. Which birds? Ostrich and emu birds cannot fly. Okay, they can. These birds can walk and run. Walk and run. I understand birds. Most of the birds can fly, but some birds they cannot fly. Ostrich, for example, ostrich and emu. These two birds cannot fly. They can walk and run only. They can walk and run. Don't fly these birds. I understand. And birds have two wings. Birds have two wings. How many wings, children? Birds have two wings. You know wings means birds have two wings. Okay, these wings help them to fly. These wings help them to fly. Birds have two wings. These wings help them fly. Birds have two legs. How many legs birds have? Two legs. Birds have two legs. And these legs help them to walk. These legs help them to walk. Okay? Birds have two wings. These two wings help them to fly. Birds have two legs. These legs help them to walk. And some birds like swan can swim. Okay, these are the birds. Birds can fly, and some birds they cannot fly. For examples of cannot fly birds, ostrich and emu. Ostrich and emu. These two birds they cannot fly. Only walk and run. Walk and run. Okay. Birds have two wings. These wings help them to fly. These wings help them to fly. And birds have two legs. Birds have how many legs? Two legs. These legs help them to walk. And some birds like ducks, swan can swim. Some birds like ducks, swan can swim. I don't understand. These are the animal words. Some animals are the small animals. Some animals are the big animals. Big animals like lion, tiger, rhinoceros, zebras. These are the big animals. These all animals have four-legged animals. Okay, now these big animals are four-legged animals. And one four-legged animal is very small. Mouse is the four-legged animal, but it is small animal. Okay, now how do you understand? And some small animals like birds, insects, worms. Okay, now these are the small animals. Today we discussed in small animals the birds topic. Which topic, children? Birds. Birds can fly. Some birds cannot fly. And the examples of ostrich and emu. The ostrich and emu cannot fly. They only walk and run. Okay. Next, birds have two wings. Birds have how many wings? Two wings. These wings help them to fly. These wings help them to fly. Next, birds have two legs. Birds have two legs. These legs help them to walk. These legs help them to walk. And some birds like ducks, swan, these are the can swim. Birds like ducks, swan can swim. Okay, and we discussed small animals. Okay, now animals what the kinds of animals, small animals and big animals. We discussed already big animals. Big animals are the big animals and small animals. Okay, now big animals, rhinoceros, tigers, bears, lions. These are the big animals and they have 4 legs. They have how many legs, children? 4 legs. Okay, now mouse is also 4-legged animal. Mouse also 4-legged animal, but it is a small animal. It is a small animal. Next, small animals like birds, insects, and worms. These are the small animals. Okay, these are the small animals. Birds have a 2 legs and 2 wings. How many legs? How many wings? 2 legs and 2 wings. And here see children, mouse. Mouse also small animal, and they have 4 legs. They have 4 legs. Okay, now? And next one, whale. It is the largest animal. Which is the largest animal? Whale. Whale is the largest animal. Okay. And next one, ostrich. Main points: ostrich and emu birds. Emu birds cannot fly. Emu birds cannot fly. They can walk. They can walk and run. They can walk and run. Are you understand, children? They can walk and run. Okay, big animals, rhinoceros, tigers, bears, lions. These are the big animals. These have 4 legs. How many legs these animals have? 4 legs. And mouse also 4 legs, but it is a small animal. Next, small animals, birds, insects, worms are the small animals. Mouse also small animal, but they have 4 legs. And whale, it is the largest animal on earth. Next, ostrich and emu. Birds, no? Ostrich and emu birds cannot fly. They can walk and run. And ducks and swan can swim also. Okay, these are the birds గురించి మనం టాపిక్ డిస్కస్ చేసాం. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో ఇన్సెక్ట్స్ అండ్ worms గురించి we will discuss in next class. Okay, insects and worms. As I understand, children, the animal world, big animals and small animals. Big animals, these are the big animals, these are the small animals. Okay, children, thank you so much.